What's up guys, what's up? Welcome to a new vlog. I have made the stupidest decision of this year, which is to raw dog Hyrox solo. And Red Bull India was like, why not? We're there to support you always. Just a disclaimer guys, I'm a runner, I have been strength training. So taking this decision was still not that stupid, but if you're someone who wants to just start their fitness journey, it's best to not take such decisions where you raw dog Hyrox. Now I'm on my way to the exhibition, less than 2 hours to go for me to participate, and we have this gentleman right here who was finding a cab, but no cab was taking him to the Yashubhumi exhibition center. So he saw my Hyrox outfit and he's like, can I join you guys? Would you like to introduce to the camera, to the vlog?
Hi.
He has the badge, which is the Red Bull badge. So wall ball is the one segment which comes in the end, and everyone have told me that this is the most difficult exercise of the Hyrox because you're so tired. And if you do 100 unbroken wall balls, you get a badge. And he told me he's done that, which is crazy. To see Rhythm's reaction. He has won the Red Bull 100 badge 5 times.
The unbroken one?
Yes.
Oh my god, hello. Hello. Nice to meet you. Rhythm. Okay.
And
nice to meet you, sir.
He is 61-year-old and already done sub 130 Hyrox.
Oh my god. Glad to be in a car with you.
Oh my god, it's happening! The exhibition center is so huge. Look at this, this is massive. FOMO Rhythm?
Very much. Also, I'm glad I'm not gonna break my knees.
Now that I've entered the exhibition for the first time, I'm like a little nervous and scared. But honestly, very thankful for my running streak. Because of that, like I've still kept moving even after my off season. But I don't just want to cry in middle of the race. I'm not gonna cry, okay? I'm not gonna cry.
No cry, it's good content.
It's good content?
Yes, very good content.
Anything for content.
Imagine crying photos.
No! Shut up. No, that's not happening.
Maharashtrian?
Yes.
कुठून आलात तुम्ही?
Mumbai. From Mumbai.
आम्ही कोल्हापूरमधून आलो. Ma'am, your hand?
Kolhapur is my native place in fact.
Seriously?
Yes.
Great. We'll see you then in Kolhapur.
Hyrox Kolhapur. This is the most important time chip. Which you cannot miss, guys. No, wear from now only. Oh, I need to change my socks. Thank you.
Okay.
But cheat code hai kya?
Huh? Kolhapur. I will give you. I'll remove all your penalties.
Please. Good one. Besties.
See you all the best.
Thank you. Let's go inside the arena, guys. Out of 10, how scared I am? 10. 10 on 10.
56 seconds.
Let's fucking go!
Come on! Let's go!
The nervousness is kicking in. Only 10 minutes to go. I've not warmed up properly, trying my best to stay calm and not cry because I do this every time. I start crying before the race. Are you all ready?
Give a fuck.
genuinely so proud of myself. There were times when things got really difficult, but I just told myself, oh wow, 5 done, 3 more to go, 4 done. This has been insane. It is so brutal. Maza to aaya. I think it's a very good race if you want to test your fitness level. And if you train for it, it is very challenging to constantly run and do a functional workout. But once you're done with few of the stations, you have to mentally push. But yeah, I think because I have done so many races and training and races, I can push myself mentally. But super fun. And I feel like a proud runner because I saved up the time. So first it starts with 1 kilometer run, and that is where I exactly messed up. I did an extra lap of it, but I was thinking about, oh no, I am behind a little. Skier part 1000 is tough. That 1000 meter was not getting over. After that, again, there was a 1 kilometer run. After skiing, there was sledge push, which was easier for me. I don't know how, I just managed to do it. I got a momentum. Again, there was a 1 kilometer run, and after that was sledge pull. That was a little difficult for me. So the last lap when I had to pull, it got very difficult for me, I'll tell you, because my upper body strength I have to still build a lot. After that, I again did a kilometer run. Burpees mein to bhai band baj gaye, honestly. And it's more demotivating when you see other people doing burpees back to back. Now, I'll pause on this. And how was it as a spectator, guys? The race? FOMO?
I felt major FOMO. I wanted to be a part of it.
What
I'm
about
glad
you?
I did not do it because I have not trained.
I think I'm gonna go for doubles. Or probably relay.
Yeah.
Let's start with relay.
But this is the best thing, like, it just gives you so much of energy that you want to do it. After seeing so many people, it's not like you don't want to back out, but you want to be part of it.
That's true. The vibe is such, you know.
Yeah. If you do relay, make sure that you don't pick up lunges or wall balls.
No, I'm gonna do rowing.
Oh, easiest.
I'm gonna do rowing, and I'm gonna be smart. I'm gonna do probably ski yoga.
Farmer's carry.
Ski yoga is nice. Farmer's carry.
No.
Difficult.
Hey.
No, I'll practice for ski yoga.
No,
Nahi.
ski is difficult.
Nahi, 1 second. Farmer's carry for her weight would be higher.
16 kg.
16 kg.
For mixed women, easier.
Relay.
Farmer's carry easier. 16 kg is
Fine.
easy.
She was scared of farmer's carry. Farmer's carry will do it easily. 16 kg is not that much.
Sled pull. Sled pull nahi karna chahiye.
Exactly.
That's bad.
Bro,
She was scared to
after
push, she did push very easily.
after pull, my body was so sore. ऐसा लगा कि कोई किसी ने पत्थर डाल दिया मेरे बैक पे. And after lunges, किसने भी lunges डाला ना भाई, बहुत 10 kg भी heavy लगता है. During that 10 kg, I'm like, how am I going to do 20 kgs in Mumbai? Because you see 4 rows. I will start my training from tomorrow for Mumbai because we only have 50 days. And because it's a home course, it's crazy.
Better kill it.
Yeah.
She will.
I am super proud of myself, and I'm super proud of me flirting with rhythm in the start because I'm the first person to tell him I love you, and then I put a trap on him for the past 13 years almost for being my biggest cheerleader. I'm proud of you, and if you guys train, you can do anything. No matter it's an Ironman, Hyrox or marathon. It's all about training, and next time I'm going to come more stronger.
Motto for this vlog, girls can do anything.
Yeah!